This is my first bauma, and it was 16 months of planning, and to see everything come to fruition exactly how you envisioned it, it takes your breath away. I'm very passionate about brand. This is an opportunity for me to be in the planning process and think about how do we bring that brand to life and make it a true immersive experience for people. When I came to Caterpillar, I was in a role that was very local to, at the time, our headquarters in Peoria. So I came in as the marketing and communications manager for the Caterpillar Visitor Center, and it gave me our first exposure to our dealers, truthfully. And so that's where I started to build the relationships. So then coming into the global trade show role is basically just taking that smaller role I was in and expanding it globally. I am really fortunate to be in a group that really honors flexibility and frankly encourages it. We believe that our results show up regardless of how many hours we put in, and we're given that flexibility to manage our schedule as we needed. But while I've been at bauma for more than 2 weeks at this point, my husband is home with our 3 boys, and they're very proud of what mom does. My dad's advice to me growing up was, go into work like you got a 1-day contract and you got to earn your spot back every single day. So that's about preparedness for me, showing up and having positive conversations and building relationships. When you show up thinking, I've got to be my best today, and you start doing that day after day after day, it shows in your results.